How to connect Gamepad to Asphalt 80. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Gamepad to Asphalt 80 Airborne and enjoy the game with full controller support. Whether you're using an Android phone or tablet, this quick guide will get you racing in no time. Let's get started. Part 1. Connect via Bluetooth. First, let's connect your controller wirelessly via Bluetooth. On your Android device, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and turn it on. Now, put your gamepad into pairing mode. For the Xbox, press and hold the pairing button until the Xbox light blinks. For PlayStation 4, hold the share and PS buttons until the light bars start flashing. For PS5, hold the create and PS buttons together. On your Android, you will see the controller appear in the list of available devices. Tap to pair. Part 2. Connect via USB OTG. If you prefer a wired connection, just use an OTG adapter. Plug the USB cable from your controller into your phone using the OTG cable. It should be recognized instantly. No pairing needed. Part 3. Launch Asphalt 80. Now, open Asphalt 80. The game will automatically detect your controller. You can now navigate the menu, customize controls, or jump straight into a race using your gamepad. Part 4. Extra tips. If it doesn't work right away, try restarting the game or checking for updates. Also, make sure your controller is full charged and updated. And that's it. This was the tutorial on how to connect your gamepad to Asphalt 80 on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.